Okay, for the first part of the question, you have to complete the table by showing that the three mean interest rate for 1992. So that one's missing. We know when we do the three median, you lose the first and the last one, so that we don't need to fill that one in. So to do the three median smoothing for 1992, so remember it's three, so you take, the three numbers around the 92, so you take those three, so we add them up, plus 10.5 plus 9.5, and because it's median, that's like, three mean, beg your pardon, so we just divide it by 3 and then we get our answer, which ends up being 11, so you filled that. Now with the next one, construct a time series plot of the average interest rate and for the period of that. So they're just asking you to plot the original time series. So that means we would use the time, all these years, and that will go along our axes. And then we'll use the rates as well, and that will go along the y. If you look in part C, they're asking us to then, on the same graph, plot the three median lines. So you'll see the green one would have a time series, and then you'll see the smoothed one on the top. So you may as well do that on your calculator. So I'll show you how to do that. So in listen spreadsheets, I've created the three lists. I've put the year, I've put the rate, and I've put the three median smooth values. But notice I skipped the first one because I want the first smooth one to be on 1988. So you've got to skip it, and you skip the last one. So I've plot them in, and then you would draw them up on a graph page, or on a data and graph page. So I'll get one of them up. So I've gone to a data and stats page and I have selected down here for this list, I selected year, and then over here the first one I selected was the rate, and I got these blue dots along there. And then you can go to menu, plot properties, and connect the dots, and then you can connect the dots. But if you want to add another one, see if you've seen I've added this extra one in there, what you need to do is you go into menu, and then you will see you can add a y variable, and I'll just show you. So you've pressed menu, and up here you can see the connect the dots, but can you see number 8 is add a y variable? That will allow you to put 2 on the graph. And you can see, remember how the three median doesn't have the first and last, and that's why our orange line is that. And so then you can connect that dots, and that's how you would plot that. So just do it on your calculator and then copy that down onto your paper if you get that in a test or an exam.